example 5 is about estimating the mean of a group data. So we can see here in this example that we don't have like certain values, but we have like grouped values, group data. So the transport department collected data regarding the distance each of its tram traveled in one day. This is shown in the table that you can see here. And we have to estimate the mean distance traveled by the trams. To do that, we have to find the interval midpoints, because like here we have a frequency 10, so that means that 10 trams traveled a distance between 50 and 100, and 15 trams traveled a distance between 100 and 150. Here 16 trams traveled a distance between 150 and 200, and 9 trams traveled a distance between 200 and 250. But when we have to calculate the mean, like we can't say, okay, 10 traveled a distance between 50 and 100. We can't say 10 times 100, or we can't say 10 times 50, because it's between those two. So we're gonna just take the interval midpoints. So let me copy the table here. So I just copied it, and we're gonna add one more column, namely the interval midpoints. To find the interval midpoints, so here for example, the distance is between 50 and 100. To find the middle, we just do 50 plus 100 divided by 2, which is equal to 150 over 2, which is 75. We do exactly the same for the second one. 100 plus 150 divided by 2, it's going to be equal to 125. And then here it's going to be equal to like 150 plus 200 divided by 2, it's 175. And here 200 plus 250 divided by 2, which is 225. So those are the interval midpoints. So to find the mean distance traveled by the trams, to find the mean, we have to add the data values. So we have like 10 trams travel the distance between 50 and 100. Instead of taking 50 or 100 or any other number, we take the middle, which is 75. So we do 10, because 10 trams traveled a distance between 50 and 100, so we take 75. And then 15 trams travel the distance between 100 and 150, so when we take the middle, it's 125. Plus 16 trams travel the distance between 150 and 200, so when we take the middle, it's 175. Plus 9 trams travel the distance between 200 and 250, so we do 9 times the middle, which is 225. And we divide this by the number of data values, which is in this case the sum of all those here, and that is, if we do 10 plus 15 plus 16 plus 9, that is in total 50. So we divide here by 50, and if we calculate that, we find out that it's equal to 7,450 over 50, and that is 149 kilometers.